Hello guys, welcome to today's sewing tutorial. Today we are going to be recreating this pocket I just displayed on the screen right now. So get your tape ready, get your scissors ready, and whatever you'll be needing to make this pocket, and watch till the end. Okay, so watch, understand, and practice. Watch, learn, and practice. Just in case you might be wondering what type of gum I used the color gum for the main pocket, which is the black, and also on this white I'll be using the light gum stay. The light gum stay. You'll need to iron this very well. Take your time to iron this, okay, and make sure it comes very well. So after you gum, then you cut them off. So we are making use of 4-piece, you understand? This pocket, to achieve this pocket, will be cutting 4 pieces of white like this, of the color whatever color you'll be using. So, and you also fold 2 sides, 2 edges of the 4-piece we cut. You fold 2 edges of each, just the way you see me doing here. Okay, just follow this video step by step, and it's very easy, very easy. Watch and understand. So you put your hemming gum to hold the hem down. Okay, so we are going to be doing this for the other 3 remaining. So here guys, we have our 4 white piece already folded. The next thing is to gum the color gum on the black piece, which is the main pocket. Understand? Please, when you are doing this, make sure you take your time to iron this, and make sure it gums very well. You understand? Make sure it gums very well before you continue whatever you need to do. And also trim the edges to the size. The only place you are to leave allowance is the up, which will be folding inside. So that's the only place you are allowed to leave allowance for this particular pocket. Okay, every other excess, you cut it out. Make sure you trim it to this main size of the collar gum. So yeah, that's been done. I am going to be placing the white piece. I will arrange it on the black just to see how it's going to come out. Okay, so I will do this to know how to gum the white piece on the main pocket. You understand? So after this, yeah, you can see how it's already looking. We are going to use the hemming gum to hold this white piece on the black. You understand? So that it will be easy when joining. All right, so this other white piece I'll be joining down to these pockets to turn it. You're going to cut it just the way you cut your bias for piping your neck. You're going to cut it the bias way, you understand? That is, you cut it diagonally. You get to give you this stretchy feel, you understand? So that you have smooth stitches round. So here we are to iron again. So one good thing about sewing is that if you want a clean finish, you need to make sure you iron through every process, you understand? So that is one tip. Will I say tip? Yeah, that is one free tip I'm giving you now to achieving a clean finish. Make sure you iron every step of the way, you get. So you're going to iron and then fold every place you need to fold, and then use your hemming gum to help you hold and give you this clean folding. Okay, so take your time when ironing. Take your time when ironing. And yeah, from this you can see we are already, pocket is already looking like what we have in the picture. So if you find this video helpful, do well to like and subscribe, and also drop a comment if there is any question you might want to ask. Okay, I will do my best to answer as many questions as I can. This video is always accessible for free, so if you forget anything, you can always come back and watch again, and you can also share to your tailor friends. You guys should practice and learn together. You grow together. If you have any pockets you want us to recreate again, just drop it down in the comment section and we'll be doing a tutorial on that. Bye.